Brands face an ongoing challenge when it comes to creating high-quality, effective content. It's too expensive to create, takes a long time, and requires a ton of effort across marketing teams. So what are your options if you're a brand needing to create great content that will uplift your brand's presence to stand out in an increasingly crowded and noisy world? You either have a small budget and work with tools like Canva or crowdsource options like Fiverr and Upwork. Now these are great options for small brands with limited budgets, but they either require a lot of your resources, look too templated, or have an inconsistent quality when you need them to make your brand look and feel professional to stand apart. Now you could hire an agency or a production company where your content will look professional, but it's expensive, time-consuming, and does not scale. This is where Savvy comes in. We built Savvy to enable brands of all sizes to be able to create tons of great content that stands out, gets attention without breaking the bank. One of Savvy's key capabilities is creating and integrating 3D models into our video. If you provide us with just a product label like this, we can turn that into a 3D model and put it into any number of different environment settings, camera movements, and motions. The combination of attention-grabbing content is limitless. What makes this so powerful is that you don't need to send us the product. It's all created virtually. Additionally, you don't have to go through the hassle, time, and expense of making elaborate studio shots, because Savvy can handle that for you for mere fractions of the cost, time, and effort to do this professionally. Now that you have these great-looking videos of your product, you can create different messages and selling points. Basically encompass all of the different ways you want to talk to your audience. This includes things like offers, testimonials, features and benefits, comparison, and attention-grabbing hooks. Now you can use these videos standalone, even as images, but you can also combine them to tell a longer story about your brand, why it's so awesome, and why your audience needs to get it. Especially in this short attention span world that we live in, it's even more important than ever to get your audience's attention within the first 2 seconds, and then hold their attention by telling them all the reasons why your brand is special, and get them to engage and interact. Now just think about all that power and what you can do at your fingertips. You literally have the power to create as much content to tell all the diverse angles of all your products and across all kinds of placements and platforms. We've created the building blocks that all brands need to tell different angles of their brand story. Consider it like a Lego system where you have all assortments of diverse pieces that can be manipulated and combined to tell a simple story or a complex story. Now your brand can look and feel premium, get the attention, stand apart, and be presented in a way that only bigger brands with bigger budgets can afford. Now if you have lifestyle footage, here's what Savvy can do. Your lifestyle content can fit seamlessly into our Lego-style building system, where you can combine and mix these elements to create professional video content like this. And when it comes to UGC creator-style content, the success of them comes down to how well it's shot and edited. What Savvy does is take that content and create different permutations, adding all the best aggregate best practices, inserting B-roll content, native callouts and overlays, and creating different variations so we can enhance the story being told. And if you're running paid media campaigns, Savvy also has a data integration add-on. This is really helpful for when we develop content. We can monitor them and report on the performance, so we can get a better understanding of what type of content are resonating with your audience. And we can constantly test, learn, and iterate the creatives to maximize the dollars that you're spending. Okay, we've said a lot here, and we're naturally really excited about what we've built. So whether you only need one 3D video or need an entire scalable content creation engine, Savvy was made for you. We have flexible options, so no matter how big or small you are, whether you're spending and scaling on paid media or not running paid at all, we can make your brand shine bright and look like you spent millions. Come explore more with us today.